Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, this is Shelby. Welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. Today we're going to be checking out this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro COPO. Come on up and let's check this beauty out. As we look across the front, we can see that the grille is in excellent condition and that it's set up with the Endura bumper. It will also give you the opportunity to look down the sides, and you can see that the body is aero straight. As we make our way around the driver's side, we can see that the body lines flow beautifully from the front to the back. Come on up and let's check out the beautiful interior. It's done in the classic black color combo with the wood grain steering wheel. It has the speedo and gas gauge in the dash, and both are working as they should. The dash pad is in great condition, and of course, with it being a COPO, it is a radio delete car. As we come around, you'll notice it has the bucket seats and are in great condition, along with the Hurst 4-speed shifter. All the jams are solid and look amazing, and the headliner and the carpet look great as well. Now that we checked out that beautiful interior, let's make our way around the rest of the vehicle. And as we make our way around the back, we've got the chrome rear bumper with the bumper guards, and you can see that we have the rear exiting pipes and that the lenses and emblems all look amazing. You'll notice as you look down the side that the body has been polished to a mirror finish. As we make our way around the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so you can check out the stance on this COPO. Obviously one of the most iconic supercars ever, this car has a pedigree to go with the look. It's MacNeish certified and has a lengthy history dating back to the 80s. The finish is beautiful, and as you can see, all the glass and the trim around the top looks amazing. To set it off is sitting on the correct stamped steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps and the Goodyear White Letter Tires. Now that we checked out the exterior, come on up and let's check out the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Under the hood, it's powered by a replacement MN code 427-425 HP engine. It's set up with the correct Winters intake and Holly carb. It's dressed in the factory-style valve covers and the air cleaner. You'll also see this car is correctly set up with the smog system. When you look under it, you'll notice that all the floors look original and are in excellent condition. The front subframe and the rear frame rails all look rock solid as well. The 427 engine runs through the original M21 Munce 4-speed and the 12-bolt rear with the 3.55 Posi traction. For exhaust, it has the correct manifolds with the dual pipes and correct muffler. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro COPO with me. If you have any questions about this beauty, please don't hesitate to call us or email us at any time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.